In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide or unhide comments on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to open up Instagram app. Then we need to tap at our profile picture to head over to our Instagram profile page. Then we need to head over to our post. As you can see, that post has a comment here, and to see the list of all the comments, we need to tap right here at that comments icon. After that, we'll be taken to all the comments on that post. After that, we'll be able to hide any comment by tapping at hide under the particular comment, just like that. It says that this comment has been moved to the hidden comments section. People who view your post won't see it, and the user which comment we've hidden won't see that you hid it. To review and unhide individual comments, tap View Hidden Comments at the end of your post's comments. To continue, tap at OK. Now, as you can see, it doesn't show us any comments here. However, if we would like to unhide that comment, we need to tap right here where it says View Hidden Comments, and that will show us all the comments on that particular post that we hidden. To unhide a comment, just tap at Unhide under a comment and then select Unhide. Basically, guys, that's it. That's how we can hide and unhide comments on Instagram. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.